Hi. We started coming to Dr. Baric when we kind of got to our wits' end about ear infections. Jake had had ear infections from 6 months old until a year. We got tubes put in. Those tubes fell out, didn't give us any relief from ear infections, and they put another set of tubes in and took his adenoids out when he was 2, and one of those fell out and he continued to get ear infections. So we came to Dr. Baric and went through some chiropractic and nutrition therapy and for about 4 weeks, and we went back to the ENT and Jake is all clear, no fluid behind his ears, and we do not have to get any more tubes put in, so we are very excited.